Programming is often misunderstood by those who are not familiar with the field. There are many myths surrounding programming that can deter people from pursuing a career in this industry. In this monologue, we will debunk the top 5 programming myths. Myth number 1, programming is only for geniuses. This is simply not true. While programming does require problem-solving skills and critical thinking, anyone can learn how to code with dedication and practice. Myth number 2, you need a degree in computer science to become a programmer. While a degree in computer science can be helpful, it is not a requirement to become a successful programmer. Many self-taught programmers have found success in the industry. Myth number 3, programming is a solitary activity. While programming does require focus and concentration, it is not a solitary activity. Programmers often work in teams to develop software and collaborate with others to solve complex problems. Myth number 4, programming is boring and monotonous. Programming is a creative and dynamic field that allows for endless possibilities. Programmers are constantly learning new technologies and solving new challenges, making it an exciting and fulfilling career. Myth number 5, you need to be a math whiz to be a programmer. While math can be helpful in programming, it is not a requirement. Many successful programmers have minimal math skills and focus more on logic and problem solving. In conclusion, programming is a diverse and rewarding field that is accessible to anyone willing to put in the time and effort to learn. By debunking these myths, we hope to encourage more people to explore the world of programming and discover the endless opportunities it has to offer. Thank you for joining. If you found the video interesting, like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So, that's it for now. See you in another astonishing video.